Hi everyone, welcome my dear 6th class students to the grammar portions of your chapter 7 adjectives used for comparison. In my part 1 and part 2 video we have learned the chapter how to use the three forms of adjectives, that is positive, comparative and superlative, isn't it? And we have also gone through the making of comparative and superlative degrees. So now let us move towards the grammar part of this chapter. So here we go with the grammar part. Number A bit. Write the comparative and superlative forms of the following adjectives. Adjectives are given here. We have tried on comparative and superlative degree. We know how to change from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative, isn't it? By the following rules. We have learned already the 6 rules. So let us go here. Wide, wider, widest. Just add only er and est. Broad, broader, broadest. Er, est. Deep, deeper, deepest. Er, est. Harsh, more harsh and most harsh. Then soft, softer, softest. Low, lower, lowest. Proud, prouder, proudest. Greedy, greedier. See here, the last letter is Y. And what was the rule? That Y will drop out and instead of Y, I will come. I-E-R and I-E-S-T. So greedier, greediest. Selfish, more selfish, most selfish. Charming, more charming, most charming. Mean, meaner, meanest. Attractive, more attractive, most attractive. Loyal, more loyal, most loyal. Sincere, more sincere, most sincere. Next, bold, bolder, boldest. Terrible, more terrible, most terrible. Fierce, more fierce, most fierce. Regular, more regular, most regular. Punctual, more punctual, most punctual. Thick, thicker, thickest. Er and est. Join. Fair, fairer, fairest. Er, est. Rough, rougher, roughest. Er, est. Smooth, smoother, smoothest. Er, est. Blue, bluer, bluest. Stout, stouter, stoutest. Delicate, more delicate, most delicate. Then here comes tough, tougher, toughest. Powerful, more powerful, most powerful. My dear students, now you are clear with the A bit. Now here B bit is given your picture. By seeing the pictures, here adjectives are given also. Adjectives are given here. By seeing the pictures, you can just make the sentences. Which one will come comparative, which one is superlative, which one is positive. Just make it by seeing the picture. Clear? We'll go for the number C bit. Tick the correct degree of the adjectives from the options in each sentence given below. Options are given here. Just correct adjective, please tick it. Sohan is dash then Shyam. I said when the word then comes, it is belonging to the comparative degree because it is a comparison between Sohan and Shyam, between two nouns, between two persons. So right answer is stronger. The dog is the dash animal. You see, before the adjective what comes? The article the comes here. So what will come? Superlative degree. That is what? Most faithful animal. The black box is dash then the white box. Again comparative degree, that is heavier. Delhi is dash then Mumbai. You see, two things are only there. Two names are only there. Two nouns are only there. So it is been compared. So hotter. A pig is dash then a dog. See, pig, dog, two animals only. So it is also comparison. So fatter. Veena is the dash girl in the school. That means is compared to the whole girls in the school. So what come here? Prettiest. Superlative degree. Kolkata is the dash city of India. The is given the largest. The girl is dash then the boy. Girl and boy comparison. So what will come here? Thinner. The second exercise is dash then the first. It is talking about the two exercises. So what will come here? More difficult. The answer is more difficult. A sofa is dash then a bench. Comparison between sofa and bench. So answer will be more comfortable. Ramesh is an dash boy. Ramesh is an intelligent boy. Okay. So here see, only it is talking about one boy. That is Ramesh. So we will write only positive degree. That he is an intelligent boy. She is the dash girl in the class. See, that is given. Okay. She is the dash girl in the class. So what will come here? Most careless girl in the class. Raju's marks are the dash in the whole class. That is given. Best in the whole class. The cat is the dash of all animals. The cat is the, here what? Superlative degree? Laziest of all animals. You see, my dear, I told with the superlative degree, after the superlative degree. Okay, before the superlative degree, what comes? The. After the superlative degree, what will come? I said, two words I said. Two prepositions I said. What are they? In and of. What I said? In and of. See, in and of are coming in the sentences. Okay. So, the cat is the laziest of all animals. The baby looked dash today than yesterday. Okay. Comparison between 2 days. Today and yesterday. So, what will come? More cheerful. Okay, my dear. Clear with the C bit. Let's go with the D bit now. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the adjectives given in the brackets. Okay. Again, brackets it is given. Adjectives. We'll use the correct one here. Qutub Minar is dash than any other tower in India. Okay, tall. So than is given. Comparative degree, taller. Sheila is the dash girl in the class. Luck is given. The is given. So superlative degree, luckiest. He looked dash yesterday. Talking about whom? Only one person, he. So what will write? Pale. He looked pale yesterday. Asha is the dash singer. The is given superlative. What will write? Most popular. Okay. Rajiv has got the dash marks in the class. High is given. The is given. So superlative degree, highest marks in the class. It is dash to travel by bus than by car. Comparison is given. So cheap is given. What will write? Cheaper. Iron is a dash metal. Talking about one metal only, that is iron, isn't it? So what you will write? Simple, hard. What is given here? The same one you will write here. Iron is a hard metal. Talking about only one thing. Okay. Here we go for the next one. Number 8. Yesterday was the dash day of the month. Yesterday was the what? The is given superlative. Coldest day. This question paper is dash than the last year question paper. Okay. What is given here? Than is given. So comparative degree, easy is given. Easier. Y will drop out. IER you will write. He is the dash student in the class. The is given. Superlative degree, bad, irregular, adjective. So what you will write? He is the worst. WORST. Worst student in the class. Okay. DBT is completed. Let's go for the E now. Fill in the correct comparative form of the adjectives given in brackets. The work was very hard at first, but we went on working and found that the rock was growing what? Softer. In a few days, we were able to dig 7 feet into the rock. The dash butterflies. What? The beautiful butterflies. Okay. The most beautiful butterflies and moths are found in hot regions. At last, moth is the largest. Superlative degree, largest, and is found in India. Again that is given, the smallest moth. The golden pygmy is only 1/5 inch in wingspan. Number 3. All 3 of them rode very well, but Jack was dash rider. But Jack was means talking about what? All 3 of them rode very well, but Jack was dash rider means skillful rider, because talking about only Jack. Jack was skillful rider. I declare Jack is the winner. Okay. A caterpillar sheds its skin many times and grows dash and dash until it grows no more, larger and larger. Okay, larger is given here. The dash painting, famous given. The most famous painting done by Leonardo da Vinci is called Mona Lisa. He wrote one of the dash great, means what? One of the greatest, because superlative degree, greatest books on the art of painting. Number 6. China is a big country. Talking about China only. So big country. Big is given option here. In the far east of Asia. In area it is dash than. Comparative degree, bigger than any other country except Russia. Next we go for the 7th number. I am glad to believe that you have become dash than before. Comparative degree, better, B-E-T-T-E-R, because good is given, good is positive degree, better is comparative degree. The tortoise, number 8, the tortoise said, don't worry dear, we are dash than the pig, means we are, clever is given, cleverer than the pig. He will never be able to get the better of us. Number 9, the boys were delighted to hear that we were going to build a bridge, and I must say the building proved dash than I had thought. Then is comparative degree. So easy is given. What will be the answer? Easier. Y will be dropped out. I will be added. Then ER. Easier. Okay, my dear. So E bit also we have completed. Hope you might be clear with the grammar portions. Still, if you have any doubts, you can just post me in my WhatsApp number. Okay, dear. Please open the textbook. Go through it. Please note it down in your notebook. Hope it is clear for you. Thank you. God bless you.